hard money loan или кредит тяжелыми деньгами или твердыми деньгами. Что это за кредит? Кому их выгодно брать? Почему они тяжелые? Наверное, потому что проценты высокие. Сейчас запишу для вас общение с финансистом, который нам объяснит, что же такое hard money loan и кому выгодно брать такие займы. Давайте послушаем. Let's do it. So the first question, hard money loan and traditional financing. What is the main difference?
I would say traditional financing would be based on the buyer's ability to repay the loan, and hard money is based on the property's value in equity and also the investor's exit strategy on the loan.
Okay, so the credit score, the investor, should they have the credit score at all, or can they get the loan without the credit score?
No, they have to have a good credit score.
Okay.
That's going to change the rate and the terms
Okay.
on the loan.
Okay, I got you. Who should do hard money loan, and who is the ideal borrower?
A real estate investor or someone who needs a short-term financing with a clear way to pay off the loan.
Okay, when you're saying investor, does it mean that it's an easier process to get the loan, or why would the investor go hard money, not traditional financing?
It is faster and it's short term, so the term is a lot shorter and the process itself is faster.
Okay, a lot shorter. What do you mean by that? How much shorter?
So closing time, usually you can close within 2 weeks.
Okay.
Shorter if everything is submitted faster, and then short term, typically up to 12 months, but not longer than that.
Okay, and then is it refinancing, or do people normally sell homes by that time?
People usually sell the homes by that time, but it depends on the type of hard money loan.
Okay.
You can refinance the loan once you are done with the hard money loan. So, for example, a real estate investor who purchases to fix the home and then keep it as a rental property, they would refinance it when that's completed.
Okay, I gotcha. And what is the interest rate for hard money loans? Let's say somebody has a good credit score, they have enough experience, and in today's market, what is the interest rate?
A ideal borrower could probably get 8 to 9%, but essentially they vary between 8 to 13%.
Oh, wow. Okay, that hurts. Yeah, that's a high number. Okay, so to get the
But
lowest,
they're interest only loans. So you're not paying a principal.
Oh, okay.
Depending on the loan that you get. So
Okay.
the interest rate might be higher, but it's interest only.
Okay, that's not too bad then. Okay. Yeah. Next one. When can you refinance the hard money loan, and are there any prepayment penalties?
There is no prepayment penalties, at least with the hard money lenders that I use. But you can refinance as long as you are completed with your project or before your term ends.
Okay, I gotcha. Well, I cannot think of any other questions unless you have anything to add to it, because somebody is going to be watching the and listening to the call. Do you have anything that you can add as for hard money loans?
For hard money, no. That's it.
Okay, since you're a local lender in South Carolina, maybe you can share a little bit about yourself, what states you work in, what loans you can help with, and a little bit of information on your experience in the industry, in case somebody will have a need for a hard money loan or just any other type of loan.
Yeah, well, I work for Clearview Mortgage. We're based in Greenville, South Carolina, but I'm licensed in South Carolina, North Carolina, and Florida. I don't just do hard money. I do traditional financing and non-QM products, so DSCR loans and bank statement loans for self-employed borrowers and real estate investors. But I like to help everybody and find a solution for everybody's long-term goals.
Okay, I like that. You need always to look into long-term goals because I get these questions as for what should I do, and then I was like, well, what's the goal? What's the long-term goal? Because that's really important. But with that being said, if somebody applies, do you normally give them every single option they qualify for, and or where do you start if somebody says I need the money to buy the house? How does it?
I look at their overall application and profile, I could say,
Okay.
and then we go over the options they have, and then we kind of narrow it down to one, and they'll get examples from there, whether it's options with the rates or things like that, and how things will look with different price points.
Okay, I got you. Well, that's it. I don't have any other questions as of now. And if somebody who was watching or listening to the call is going to have any questions, I will leave your phone number, and hopefully they will reach out to you directly. And hopefully you'll be able to help those people.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Это была информация в 2 словах. Если остались вопросы, я уверена, они остались у вас. Звоните напрямую финансисту. Зовут ее Юлия. Номер телефона 864-612-6115. У меня все. Хорошего дня.